Everybody will find plenty of people or beings, also animals, no problem. But where you feel like that without them, you wouldn't have never become the person you are today, for example. And the ultimate gratitude is, I think, once again, to this one who allowed everything to happen.
The mind has a natural tendency to focus on problems, but gratitude redirects energy toward appreciation. You cannot feel angry, fearful, or envious while being truly grateful. Those emotions cannot coexist. Gratitude acts like water that extinguishes the fire of dissatisfaction. When practiced consistently, it strengthens emotional resilience and opens the heart to peace and acceptance.
Everything that you can trace back, thanks to my parents. That's why there is gratitude. Why can I do in the martial art field the things that I can do? Because I had teachers that taught me the things. Gratitude to all of the people, all of the masters and teachers that taught me these skills, taught me these methods. The friends, the ones why you are still a person today who believes in hope, who believes in keep going, who believes in friendship and all the things, who are like the key persons that you nowadays still have it. Well, gratitude to all these companions that you have met in your lifetime. So everybody will find plenty of people or beings, also animals, no problem. But where you feel like that without them, you wouldn't have never become the person you are today, for example. And the ultimate gratitude is, I think, once again, to this one who allowed everything to happen. And this is why I don't know if you call it the universe, if you would want to call it the nature, if you want to call it, I don't know. Different nations, different cultures give different names. But there is probably something that we cannot just give a name, but without it, we would all not be here.
According to Shi Heng Yi, gratitude begins with awareness. Most people move through life unconsciously, constantly focusing on what they lack or what they wish to change. This creates dissatisfaction, tension, and restlessness. Gratitude, however, shifts attention from what is missing to what is already here. When you become aware of the air you breathe, the food you eat, the people around you, and the lessons you've learned, you begin to realize that every single moment is a gift. This awareness grounds you in the present and connects you with the flow of life.
Cross stance. Here. Right leg, left leg. The right leg, move behind the left leg. And then from here, squat down. Now you see here, this is my right knee. This is my right knee. My right knee is on the left side of the left leg. Stand up. Left leg behind the right, squat. Down. Up, step, down. Up, step, down. Up, step, down. Up, step, down. 10 times, 20 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
This exercise will help you to activate the healer within. The goal is not to add more. The goal is to remove the noise, the stress, the blockages. What remains is your natural power, your health, your life force.
Then, here. This is frontal position. Left leg to the front. Here, this looks sideways. This is front. Hand, just place them here on your temples. Okay, very easy. Start. Left knee, left elbow. 1, 2. Down, back. In, up, down, out. In, up, down, out. In, up, down, out. In, up, down, out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
This will activate your core life energy, your healing engine.
Switch side. This time right leg is in the front. Hands close. First remember, step in. The back leg. Step in. Lift up. Down. Back. And in, up, down, out. In, up, down, out. In, up, down, out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
This movement opens the lungs, increases oxygen intake, and releases emotional heaviness, like sadness and grief. It teaches the heart to relax.
Okay, easy exercise. Easy exercise, practicing to coordinate the body a little bit and at the same time holding the balance. So therefore, left leg we do another 20 and right leg also another 20. So let's go. Left leg is in the front. Left leg is in the front. Arms, fingers can touch your forehead, can touch your temples. Remember, step in, step up. Down, back. Okay, 20 times. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, switch side. Right leg, 20, and we continue. Here. And go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4.
This stimulates circulation, refreshes the skin, relaxes the nervous system, and brings clarity to the mind.
8, 9, 10. Good. Okay. Now some kicking, some light kicking. Left leg and right leg, both. Look, from here. Okay, let's see. Left knee up, 1, down. Right knee up, kick, 2, up, kick, 1. Knee first, kick, second, down, 1, snap, 2, snap, 3, snap, 4, 5, 6, knee 7, knee 8.
This balances the connection between body and mind, harmonizes yin and yang, and restores inner peace.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, rest a moment. Yeah, rest a moment. So now you maybe start to understand a little bit the movement. First, you just lift the knee. When the knee is up, then you bring out the lower leg. First the knee, then the kick. Then same way, back. Okay, next one, 100, left and right 50-50, but concentrate. So while you are doing the kicks, always observe yourself if you are keeping the proper technique. First the knee, then the kick. First the knee, then the kick. 100, let's go. Okay, left leg starts, relax the body, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
This nourishes the kidneys, refreshes the spine, and builds inner vitality, like drinking energy from nature itself.
8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Breathing. Arms open sideways, deep inhalation, and inhale. Exhale.
This releases stress, clears stagnant energy, improves circulation, and refreshes both body and mood instantly.
Inhale. Exhale. And one more time, inhale. Exhale.